Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch you need to chain multiples of 10 plus 2. So I'll chain 22. So now that we've chained 22 for row 1, on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. Through the next chain 1 single crochet. So I'll continue making 1 single crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. I will chain 3, then through his next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll skip the next 2 chains and through his third chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I will chain 6, then through that same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through the next 5 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through his third chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 6, then through that same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through his last 3 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. So 1, 2 and 3. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around. I'll chain 1, then through that first double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, then through a 6 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, I'll skip the next 2 chains and through his third chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, through his next 6 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then right here through his last double crochet chain, which is a third turning chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. So this completes row 3. This is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.